Hello students. In previous classes we came to know about the different types of festivals celebrated in some northeastern regions of India. In Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur, the people observe the festivals which we came to know in previous classes. Today we will know about the festivals which are celebrated in the state of Mizoram. From the very beginning we came to know there are 7 states which are called the land of 7 sisters in northeastern region of India. Out of them Mizoram is one. So today we will know about the festivals of Mizoram. So now you look at your books and read. The Spring Festival or Chapchar is an important occasion mostly celebrated in Mizoram. Men and women of all ages wearing traditional dresses and headgear perform folk dances and sing traditional songs on this occasion. Drums, gongs and cymbals add to the festive air. So children, in this paragraph, the festival of Mizoram is described and the main festival of Mizoram is Chapchar. Chapchar is the most important festival of Mizoram, and in this occasion, the people of Mizoram, they take part, they participate, and all the groups are involved in this celebration. In other states, some young women only, in some cases young men only, they were performing dances. But in this festival Chapchar, all the people of all ages, that means beginning from the children till the old people, all the people of all ages, they took part. How do they celebrate this festival? They wear the traditional dresses and headgear. One unique thing which was not seen in other states, here in Mizoram we can see the people wear headgears and they, like other states, use the traditional dresses, traditional attires. What is headgear? When we drive a two-wheeler, we use a helmet. That is not for fashion, that is for our safety. The helmet is also a headgear. Headgear means a thing which we wear on our head. So when the people dance, they perform dances, traditional dances, they wear a headgear, and that headgear is not like a helmet, that is a decorative one. That headgear is decorated with some feathers and with some things or flowers which look attractive and beautiful while dancing, like a turban. पगड़ी जोटा आमे बांधती विभिन्न कलरफुल क्लॉथ रे पगड़ी बांधती सेटा सुंदर पाई हेई थाए, सेटा सेफ्टी पाई नुह. Sometimes we wear headgear for safety and sometimes in dances not for safety but for fashion. To raise their beauty they wear headgear. So the people of all age, they wear headgear, perform folk dances. Like other states, they also perform folk dance and sing traditional songs. So these folk dance and traditional songs are more or less equal in all the northeastern states. But this headgear, use of headgear, wearing headgear is something different from other states. So they sing traditional songs on this occasion, and like other states also, other festivals also, the musical instruments are inseparable in this occasion. The people of Mizoram also, they use the musical instruments like drums. We came to know in Arunachal Pradesh also, they use the musical instrument drums, and here they use the drums, gongs, that is a musical instrument, and cymbal. In Assam, we came to know about cymbal. Cymbal jhanjha to mu kahichi. So these are musical instruments. So while performing, while celebrating the festival Chapcharkut, the traditional song, traditional dance, folk song, traditional dance and the use of musical instruments are equally important. So people of all ages, they dance in merriment, in sheer happiness. And these musical instruments add to the festival, that means the use of musical instruments increase the importance of the festival, of the occasion. So this is about the festivals of Mizoram. The Mizo people celebrate one important festival like Chapcharkut, and some other festivals are also there which are not so important. So we will not come across those festivals. While you will read geography, then you can know thoroughly about their music, their dance, their attire, their food habit, their clothings, everything. So in this paragraph, we came to know about the festivals of Mizoram. So this is all for today, and in subsequent classes we will know the festivals of other states of Northeast India. Thank you.